Hi, hamjambo. My name is Toya. Let's look at more basic phrases for daily use and their meaning-based translation. Sijui unajua. I don't know if you know. Huwezi kunidanganya. You can't lie to me. Nitatambua ukweli. I will realize the truth. Usinidanganye. Don't lie to me. Sema ukweli. Tell the truth. Usiseme uongo. Don't lie. Tukubaliane. Let's agree. Tuelewane. Let's understand each other. Thanks for watching. Siku njema.